Hi guys and welcome to the third episode of Roll for Artwork, inspired by Roll for Sandwich. We got a 1 drawing and the style will be 2 fantasy. The color palette will be 2 colorful and the features 2 again, wings and 2 again, 4 tail. So I made this design based on a picture made by Dean Mason. Here you go. And I started with the design in Procreate, but I wanted to add watercolor. So I printed a really simplified design out and I'm tracing it over with pencil so that I can later add watercolor. I added butterfly wings to the mouse because we got wings and it needed to be fantasy. And I did change the proportions a little bit because the mouse was incredibly cute in the picture. However, if I'm going to simplify it, then it will look like a hamster. So I changed a tiny bit. I added, of course, the wings. And I made the eyes a bit bigger. I made the ears bigger. I added the ear in the back. And I made the nose a bit more pointy. And I made his body a bit less chubby. So that he won't look like a hamster. Anyways, enough about that. Just enjoy it and I will come back later. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to say that I wasn't feeling the purple, pink kind of colors for the wings. So I changed it to orange. The wings were a bit of a struggle, as you can see. And I'm pretty sure that because I didn't use watercolors in like 3 years. That's why I started the whole Roll for Artwork series. I wanted to get better at my artworks, I wanted to improve myself, but I have a hard time doing it. So I kind of made a way to push me into that direction. And it's going great actually. Anyways, just enjoy the video. I will come back in the end. And here you go, it's finished. Some of the colors are metallic kind of watercolors, so they will have the shimmer and the reflection. But I freaking love it. Look how cute he is. I know the wings aren't perfect, but I'm still freaking proud. Thank you for watching.